I mean, I got a casting call, simple as that. I've been around in the industry for like around 10-12 years now. 12-13 साल हो गए almost. तो अब मुझे, since Farzi got out, things became much more easier and nicer. You know, like I would uh, get calls for better characters and all of that. So similarly, because of that, Malegaon ka bhi call, I got a casting call and I had to test for it. I tested for Akram's part first, and then I tested for Farouk's part after that, and then I tested for Irfan's also, and they finally locked me for Irfan. Uh, I have worked with Zoya and Farhan sir before on Bombay Meri Jaan. So I've worked with Excel before. This is my second project with them. With Rima, it's my first project, and uh, she's a great director. She knows her, she knows her deal. She knows what she wants. Her edit is in her mind and everything. तो उनके साथ भी मतलब it was a learning experience, I would say. And when it comes to Adarsh and Vineet and Shashank, they're all uh, fantastic and they're all amazing in what they do. So it was a good collaborative effort for me as well. It was a great learning experience for me as well, from these guys, whether it's Rima, whether it's Adarsh, Vineet bhai, or Farhan bhai. Apart from that, approaching the character, I would say we had a series of workshops with Mr. Atul Mongia, who is one of the best acting coaches in the industry right now. So we had like a 5-6 day workshop where all of us were there, which helped us bond together as a group, which helped us empathize and relate to the characters more. We also got to meet the real characters. We got to meet Mr. Nasir. Mr. Aleem was our dialect coach, so we got to meet them as well, and we got a bunch of information from them. Apart from that, the documentary in itself, Superman of Malegaon, directed by Faiza Ahmed Khan, to that, and yeah, all of these things combined together, and obviously Rima's vision, what she wanted, and Varun Grover's writing the script. So all of these things combined together helped us, all of us, create the character and bring it on the screen. So there was no one particular process as such. We had to go through a few different things to get into the skin of the character. The dialect coaching, whether it's interactions with Nasir, whether it's interactions with Varun sir, or interactions with Rima, and whatever Atul Mongia taught us. So all of these things coming together, binding together, helped us get into the skin of the character. So Atul sir focuses a lot on breathing, of course. There's a lot of breathing and there's a lot of meditation required. So the day would begin with like a half an hour, a session of meditation where all of us would just uh, gather and meditate for a while, and then he started to open us up as what we are, as me as Sakib, Adarsh as Adarsh, Shashank as Shashank, Pallav as Pallav, Anuj as Anuj. So he opened us up. He urged us to speak about. He urged us to be vulnerable, basically. He urged us to be vulnerable about our own lives, real lives, not the lives of the characters that we're going to live. He urged us to be vulnerable about our own lives and share it with everybody. So I would not tell you like what all everybody said, because that's very uh, personal to everybody. But like there were things which Adarsh was like holding on to. Those things I was holding on to. Those things Vineet Bhai was holding on to, and we opened ourselves in front of each other, and we were just plain vulnerable with each other. And Rima was also present there at that time. So I think that was one of the things which made us trust each other, because and respect each other more, and come become closer together as people. Because all of us had never met before. We knew of each other. Like me and Adarsh had just worked once on an ad a few years ago. Shashank I've never worked with. Vineet Bhai I've never worked with. So same goes with Pallav and Anuj and Manjari and everybody, right? And but all of these exercises that we had with with the females as well, with Manjari and with the and Muskan as well, that made us vulnerable with each other, and which bonded us together. Along with that, we had to do the scene work from the film. The script was ready. We had read the script, so we Atul sir made us do the scene work. We had these improvisation exercises. We had breath work exercises, and we would just apart from that, we just have lunch together, and after our classes, after the workshop, the day would get over. We would all gather in the evening at Adarsh's house, or maybe Pallav's house, and just like have a coffee and chit chat and just talk about life and everything. So we kind of bonded off camera as well. Even while shooting, we would have lunch together, we would have dinner together in the hotel, or we would on set as well. We would probably sit on one same table. All of us would sit on one same table and eat together, or probably like in one of the vanity vans, maybe Shashank's vanity or maybe Adarsh's vanity or whoever's vanity. We'd all just be spend time together. So all of that you can see is translated on the screen. All of this homework, all of this background work, it's visible on the screen if you've seen the film. Absolutely, I think that does bring a sense of security because when you know that your project is being backed by Prime Video or a Netflix or whatever, you know that they are gonna put in a bunch of effort and money and whatever you want to call it for the promotions. That this project is going to be out, first of all, that it will be released. You're not wondering that अरे ये कहीं अटक ना जाए या इसका release हो या ना हो, because when there's a Prime Video backing it will come out at some point of the time, some point of the year, so there is a sense of security and all. Apart from that, they have their own game plan when it comes to marketing and promotions and everything, so which is out of our control as an actor. So we don't really know how much of spotlight and how much of importance will be given to each and every character in the film or the show. So which is why we do our own PR and our own marketing activities. But yeah, I would coming back to your question, I would agree that there is a sense of security and safety when there's a big studio backing something like a Prime Video backing your project. Honestly, Farhan didn't really interfere much, I would say, because it's more than Excel. This is Tiger Baby's film, and Tiger Baby is Zoya and Rema's company. So more than Excel, it's Tiger Baby's film. So Farhan didn't really have a lot of inputs. He was supervised. He would come say hi, hello. He would meet us. He would just overlook things, how everything's going and all. Zoya also, I think, didn't really interfere much. But she completely trusts Rima with everything, and she also has complete trust with on Mr. Varun Grover as well. So she would just, I think their inputs were more of making us comfortable and making us confident and making us uh, giving us that push and giving us that extra motivation to just go out and kill it. And the fact that she just entrusted us with such a big project was all in all everything. And as producers, I mean that's a really amazing thing that they really don't interfere in the script, because sadly, like in the industry, producers are pretty infamous for being interference for their interference and interfering in the creative aspect of the script. Maybe she might have given, and maybe she might have done her part. She might have done her bit behind the camera, like when we were not there, in the corporate meetings and everything, when these guys would come together. But in front of us, she never really blatantly interfered, or like came I wouldn't say interfered, like just like had things to say more than, apart from the things that I told you, making us feel comfortable, motivated, and just to go out and kill it. Most of the I would say the upper hand was taken by Rima, and she was like the showrunner and like the everything of the film, apart from Varun sir, who had his script was impeccable, so we didn't really need to put in as much of an effort. I mean, we have to adapt. There's a bunch of, I mean, for Malegaon, luckily there wasn't really much of a surprise element every day because the weather was favorable. Actors and everybody, the whole crew was very cooperative, and everybody was, usually punctual, and everything's ready. And there was not much of mismanagement. There was not much of disorganization. So on Malegaon, I would say everything was pretty much on paper, on point. But I've been through projects. I've done a show on Amazon Mini called Love Adhura, which released last year, and we were shooting in Kerala, and the weather would just not be on our side. Sometimes it would get cloudy, and then like the next moment it would be sunny. So the DOP would have to adapt at that time. We also would have to adapt, because if it is now very cloudy or if it's raining, so now we have to probably do some other scene. So we as actors, I think adaptation is, I think, a very important skill which an actor can and should have. So the surprise element will always be there. I mean, if as an actor, I would say we shouldn't, and any as an actor and as a filmmaker also, we cannot be taken aback. We cannot let it affect us. Worst case scenario, if there is something which is completely out of our control, we call it a day. We call it a day. We cancel shoot and we just go back, and we figure out a new plan. We figure out a new plan. We think of new ideas to do things. But this is something which is part and parcel of the industry of the filmmaking business. So I think adaptation is what helps us cope with these kind of things. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing Rakt Brahmand. I don't know. I mean, it's on hold right now for some reasons, but I hope it resumes soon. But yeah, Rakt Brahmand is happening right now. I've done Farzi with them. Hopefully, the second season of Farzi should begin the end by the end of this year, or probably next year, as soon as possible, basically. No, no, no. I think the script is still being written. It's still in the writing phase. So, from the knowledge that I have, I could be wrong as well. But yeah, this is what it is as of now.